right now it's alright, right? But it's just too much, okay? It's just blank, nothing good, okay? So you want to add some texture to it. What I do is I make a new layer. It's a plus sign over here, up here, the layers menu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The fourth menu, okay? Where you have 2 boxes. Okay, that's your layers menu, okay? On top here, there's a plus sign. Click on that, that's a new layer. Okay? To delete a layer, swipe up, swipe across, swipe to the left, and you can duplicate, lock, or delete. Okay, I don't want to do that. Okay, so as you can see, Procreate has a lot of sub-menus within the menu. Okay? So, but for us, we slowly build up your skills level, okay, to remember all this stuff. So I want to change another brush, okay. Now I want usually I use luminous to make some kind of flare, okay. So make it do a flasher. So I use flare. Then I change it to the eyedropper here on top, okay. Change it to something white, okay. Over here on your left hand side is the size. Okay, so you adjust the size here, that will do me. Then I just clap on the canvas randomly. Okay, increase the size a little bit. Okay, just tap on it, whatever you want.